Thanks for joining us on today's Andrea's Gift unboxing. Give us just a few minutes. We're gonna go ahead and get this whole thing set up, and you'll see what Andrea sent me. We have a box from Japan. You can see, I'll have to blur out her address and all my stuff. You can see everything that she sent me. She sent it in a Skechers Delight 3.0 box. She's got several different tapes on here. Actually, no, just two, only two tapes. And you see here, it doesn't look like the government actually opened it this time. Looks like she hid her shoe sizes for some weird reason. For some reason, she doesn't want me to know her shoe sizes. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get out my trusty knife. I'll be right back. All right, we've got our Schrade. Let's go ahead and start this unboxing. This knife is pretty sharp. Let me make sure that's what the seam is, so that I don't let it go over the seam. All right, looks like we got a good little step there, which there we go. Right, that is the correct side. And so here we go again. Just showing you how sharp this knife is. Wow. I need 4 hands to do this. Right. Close the knife. Put it on safe so it doesn't accidentally open up and start killing people randomly, because that's what knives do. Ooh, we've got a nice assortment of Japanese papers here. Ooh, a coupon. Maybe she should have waited for this. A juicy, delicious. It's that Salisbury steak. Gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. What is that, pork belly? Okay. We got this. We got bingo. You could have used this baby to win something, I think, maybe. I don't know. We've got the shirt. The shirt her mom got me. We'll try this on a little bit. Feels super nice. Looks extra nice. I do need more shirts in my life. Got here. Ocha na Yamaguchi. It's in the tea store. For a second. No, they don't speak English on that paper. Green tea. Thank you, baby. And we've got my missing sock. Doesn't smell like you washed it. Why'd you send me clothes unwashed? Just kidding. It's inside. These are awesome luggage tags my baby has made for me. Good job, baby. And pen key. Ooh. To figure this out. I do like that. And hardcover notebook. All right. So let's see. Always I'm your best. Blank pages, not rules or dotted. Long card case for my business cards. All right, I think that's a dog. Yes. It's 4 cards. And we have a hardcover notebook. The baby got these when she went to a store, and they had all these specials. And because she remembered what store she was able to avail herself of the specials. Spam. This is delicious Spam from the Philippines. More delicious Spam tocino. Shit's good. Ranch style corned beef, great with eggs. Caldereta corned beef, great with everything. She found my rosary, which I'd be dying to find. Thank you. You missed on our last episode when Andrea went and got a Switch. She needed to get the micro SD. She got the regular SD card. But that's okay. Because she sent me the big one. Thank you, baby. Oh, you three. Fancy. And it's just fast. Alright, 16 pocket card case. The card case here. That's, ooh. This is nice. Oh no, they're falling. And an accessory tray. It's really nice. Together. And you got yourself a leather accessories tray. This looks super nice. Thank you, baby. I think it's something from the post office. I don't know. Well, that ends our video today. Thank you so much, Andrea, for everything you sent. I appreciate this so much. I love you. Have a great sleep.